Did you know that even if your video has the best content, it might not get the attention it deserves without a thumbnail that grabs viewers' eyes and pulls them in? Thumbnails are the gateway to your content, and without the right one, your video could miss out on its full potential. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning, attention-grabbing thumbnails in just 5 minutes using an AI thumbnail generator. Forget spending hours on Photoshop or Canva. This tool makes the process faster, easier, and just as professional. With this AI-powered tool, you can create all kinds of thumbnails, including action-based thumbnails that capture high-energy moments, perspective thumbnails with unique angles to draw in curiosity, face and object thumbnails that highlight emotion and connection, object-only thumbnails that keep it clean and simple. And that's not all. You can create any type of thumbnail you want, tailored exactly to your style and needs. So, if you're ready to level up your YouTube game and make thumbnails that boost clicks and views, stay tuned, and I'll show you how to make it happen, fast. Alright, so to generate our thumbnails, we'll be using this platform called Pixels. It's hands down the best AI thumbnail generator, specifically designed for YouTube. Here's how it works. Click the link in the description to get started. Once you're on the page, click Try for free, log in with your Discord account, and you're all set to go. You've got 2 main options to create your thumbnail. The first is the prompt to thumbnail feature, where you simply type in a description of what you want, and the AI generates it for you. The second option is the recreate feature. Here, you can paste a YouTube link, hit generate, and the tool will recreate the existing thumbnail for that video. This is great if you want to leverage proven formats from videos that already have millions of views. We'll cover the recreate option later. For now, let's start by creating a thumbnail from scratch using the prompt feature. To get started, we need a video topic. After researching ideas, I decided to focus on a fun and eye-catching concept, comparing a struggling YouTube channel to a successful one. For the thumbnail, we'll use a split-screen design. On the left, a sad gray YouTube icon labeled off with just 27 views, and on the right, a happy red YouTube icon labeled on with 480k views, surrounded by confetti. Let's bring this idea to life. When you're working on your own video, you can tailor the prompt to fit your specific needs. Just remember to keep it clear, concise, and focused. Avoid being vague, and highlight the main elements you want in your thumbnail. Simplicity is key. Make it short, special, and to the point. This is what it generated. It created exactly what we requested, except for one small detail. It left out the 480k views on the right. But don't worry, that's easy to fix. You can quickly add it as text using Canva in just a minute. Also, since we're using the free version, there's a big watermark. If you upgrade, the watermark will be removed, and everything will look clean and professional. Let's try another idea. This time, the prompt is to show a luxurious mansion on the left and a very tiny house on the right, with a bold red arrow pointing to the tiny house labeled Elon Musk. It's a creative and fun concept, so let's see how it turns out. Wow, this turned out amazing. It created exactly what I had in mind. The only downside is the big watermark, which does affect the design. I'd love to show you how it looks using a subscription plan without the watermark, but unfortunately, I can't afford it right now. Thanks for understanding. Let's try a prompt that includes a person this time. The idea is to generate a man as a treasure hunter holding a golden map, surrounded by glowing treasure and ancient artifacts. It's an exciting and adventurous concept, so let's see how it turns out. Not bad, this looks pretty good. Now, let's take it a step further by doing a face swap. To do this, click the face swap icon at the bottom of the generated thumbnail. Then, upload your picture. For example, I uploaded a picture of Mr. Beast, and hit the generate button. After waiting a few moments, let's see. Oh wow, it turned out amazing. This is so cool. You can create a great-looking thumbnail with your own picture. It really works. Alright, let's test the recreate option this time. First, go to YouTube and copy the URL of the video whose thumbnail you want to replicate. Next, click on the recreate option and paste the link into the provided field. You'll then have the option to choose the level of similarity, low, medium, or high, depending on how closely you want your thumbnail to match. Let's go with high, which means we want the thumbnail to look 100% like the original. Hit the generate button and wait a moment. Wow, it worked. The recreated thumbnail looks almost identical to the one we selected, except for the person in it, which might be a respectful nod to legal boundaries. But don't worry, you can easily swap the image with your own. Simply click the face swap icon, upload your image, hit generate, and wait a little bit. Alright, let's see the result. It worked, but the big watermark makes it a bit hard to see clearly. Still, if you look closely, the design matches. So, if you ever like someone's thumbnail, you can recreate it, swap in your image, and make adjustments as needed. It's that simple. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you're now ready to take your thumbnails to the next level, just like I'm planning to do for mine. I've added the link to the tool in the description below. If you use my link to check it out, I'll earn a small commission, so please consider supporting me if you're interested in giving it a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.